Kat Nationalist Congress Party NCP gala ban sai Kyrtong ha kanik election MP stang samoy na Shillong sha Lok Sabha Kumasalong Hakibanai given Sawan. Ha Bakran Hakajilang Mentakasni ha State Convention Center Shillong u Presiden ke NCP Miglaya u Oke Sangma ulaong baka parti kaladun lupa ya Kyrtong Henry menta kadang persyang ban penkok ngu syua ya kinangilam kaseng kemi makin pediang ban penyakhun hakanik election. Ula kentu barok yang gitkam bat kinong Kristyan bakin Tristem ban penklanya ke parti haman ki jaka jonggi kendong kensyurot haka jela. Haka juga pola pentkina bahwa au ajar apupra ke NSP kan saya ki ketong ki banyak kun election MLA how to use name. Ulang babun ki perkat bak NPP kebadon hakabol kela suthit hari lum karu Henry. Ula pensyai bakani kam day kumta baru penrap banam tak election MDC syaka karu his autonomous council ke NPP kela penjalan no ya kesamoy election nama bak shifting yo ke syarem. Kat ba nakaliang national youth president ke jong ke NCP udhirat Sharma ulong bak NCP ke keseng kebalong tenrai meglaya kam day syu keseng ke badang temai haka jela. Ulong bekaseng mentakal sedang ban Khlain yaka parti kam tam hak bak election saking double tawan jong kejela kan salong house nam ajalopra hak bekaseng kan pai kemat sagi samla bat kedon ke jingkermen bagi samla nak kejela migraya kin ai ke jingkersyan yaka seng.
Was Ryson and after Khlain Sangma now become MP, defected to Congress Party, our NCP party no here. But our NCP party now will rise again. We are organizing with our friends in Khasi Hills, Jantia Hills, and Garo Hills. So next MLA election in 2028, there will be NCP MLAs in Meghalaya also. Let us say big club. As you are aware, in 2008, our NCP party has 13 MLAs. It became a kingmaker. It became a government formation. So after rising there, even in future also after 1 year, 2 years, because election is the corner, we will get more MLAs, so we will be in the government. So ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy. Let us try our level best. Election is the corner. Let us try and strengthen our party. As you are aware, NPP party now in the power. Maybe people are thinking that NPP party are powerful in Garo Hills. It is not like that. You already aware that in the last MP election, how NPP party meet the dust. They defeated by one candidate. They are nothing in Garo Hills. So in the coming MLA election or MDC election, there are apprehensions. Because of apprehension for the MDC election, they have cancelled and postponed the MDC election in Garo Hills. I think they have postponed for 6 months, maybe also 1 year, because they are so afraid to make the defeat in the election of the MDC. So these are the case happening in Garo Hills also. So in Khasi Hills and Jantia Hills, NPP party is not so strong, I know very well. So during the time election, let us try our level best to strengthen our party, to select our party. So in the coming election, there will be MP by-election also in our Meghalaya. It means in Shillong constituency. We are trying our level best to convince our high command to put the candidate. We have candidate for MP election, but we have to convince the high command to allot the ticket. That is the case. Now our friends from Mumbai and Delhi are coming, so we have to convince them also so that we can put a candidate in Shillong by election. So if our party can put a candidate in Shillong, we should not go to other parties like Congress and NPP. So we can work and campaign to our own candidate. So we will try our level best. So I'm very happy and very grateful and thankful to our youth president who have blessed to organize this meeting. I hope through this meeting we can progress later on. There is a hackness sign coming together.
Not a new party for Meghalaya. NCP is the basic party, we can say, for Meghalaya. And we have already done so much of work and we have a very recognized cadre over here. So today we had a NCP Youth State Convention under our leadership of our State President Kumar, and we are trying to create more cadre seeing upcoming election, and we are focusing on youth. As NCP, we are having a youth leadership. We are giving preference to youth, and we are very positive that Meghalaya youth will support NCP. And in continuation, we have launched a membership drive also, and we are very sure that NCP youth will emerge as the strongest youth organization in Meghalaya, because youth is facing so much of problem. As we can see, unemployment problems, youth is going for drugs. So we all want that youth should be more stronger and more focused for Meghalaya. So NCP youth will focus on youth more.
There was also a
See, NCP has always been a party where youth has given more and more preferences. We can see the CM also, he also came from the youth, NCP youth organization only. Member of Parliament also of Meghalaya, he was also from NCP youth only. So NCP is the party who is always known for strengthening youth. So this time also we will talk to a central leadership that we should get more and more youth candidate in upcoming elections, whether it is local elections, assembly elections or Lok Sabha elections.
so about MP elections. You had mentioned earlier, but if you could give us say about contesting the upcoming Shillong seat MP election.
See, that will be decided by our top leadership, but definitely we will brief them about the situation of Meghalaya, and if they think that there should be a representation from NCP, they will definitely think about that.
So during the course of the speech by various leaders, there was a mention about overthrowing the NPP regime. Why do you think there's a need to do so?
See, Meghalaya people, they were having a very high hopes with current government, but as we can see, the situation are like same only. People want change. People want, and especially youth want, a good party who can come into power and who can think about youth. Unemployment, it is the biggest problem of Meghalaya. Youth are going out of the state for their employment, and even there are so many problems. There is no proper health infrastructure, there is no proper schools, colleges here. So people want their basic things to be in the state only, and NCP has already proved this in Maharashtra state also, before also. Now I think we will go to the people and we will talk with them, and definitely Meghalaya people will support NCP.
That's enough.
And even on this issue, I think I have